my name's Neil Granger. I'm an actor, but I've also worked for the last 12 years in computer games. So what I wanted to do was to show them the different ways that you can act within games, whether that be providing voice, providing the movement, or providing the facial capture, or providing all of those, which is full performance capture. So today was an introduction, get the students to really start to explore the depths of character, because the wonderful thing about computer games is you can play characters you would never play in anything else. The fantasy and sci-fi is such a huge part of computer games, as we all know, that you get to really play lots of monsters and creatures and really explore what those characters would look like, feel like, sound like, move like. If you want to be a voiceover artist, you have to have a voice reel. It's much like if you want to be a model, you need to have a headshot. You need to be able to show that you can do the thing that you want to do. Motion capture is a harder one to get into, but there are lots of courses, more advanced versions of what I'm hoping to work with them on, where you can actually step into a motion capture volume, put a suit on, try it out, see how it works, watch your animated character come to life. You have dreams and you want to dream that you can play all of these characters, and this is an industry where potentially you can. So they threw themselves in, they were up for being silly and making mistakes, which is the key to any good rehearsal room, to be able to try and fail and try again. But I thought there's some real talent in the room, and you can really see that this school is brimming over with some really exciting young performers.
I think it's really helpful to actually be able to go into an institution where you actually get classes from professional people in the industry, especially something that's so contemporary, something like motion capture, because you don't get that opportunity in a lot of other places.
No, plus with that being the future of everything, it just feels amazing to be able to go into things that that goes into pop culture, which we're all interested in, like video games and animation.
Really useful. I mean, really interesting. It's like a new aspect of the industry that we've never looked at before. So it's always nice to. I mean, I'm a video game fan myself,
Me
so
too.
I like to see what goes into it all. Yeah, really good, really nice guys. Well,
and this is part of a career that I want to go into as well. So I really want to do voice acting for video games and motion capture and stuff. So it was really good to have like some insight into what I could be doing in the future.
I just thought it was really interesting getting to play like a load of different characters, and it was just good having someone with so much knowledge in the industry and clearly been doing it for a long time, and he just knew what was going on.
Yeah, absolutely fascinating. It was like a different realm that I don't think we'd ever covered before here, and we touched on it before, but I think it was much more interesting to have it in the building with somebody with so much experience. It was a totally different experience.